In the fourth module, we're going to cover probability. Probability is not everyone's favorite topic. It wasn't always mine, but we're going to keep it manageable and hopefully intuitive for you. We'll talk about simple probabilities, conditional probabilities, and multiplication rules. Then we'll talk about the normal distribution and how you go about standardizing data or converting it to what we call z-scores. Now, this is a really important concept that will come into play later as well. We'll also talk about areas under the curve, and we'll end the chapter with an introduction to inferential statistics, really focusing on point estimation and interval estimation. So point estimates and interval estimates are commonly used for making informed decisions based on sample data. A point estimate simply involves using a single statistic from a sample to estimate an unknown population parameter. Sounds like a lot in that definition, but an easy example should clarify. So a company may want to estimate the average spending of its customers. They could do that by taking a sample of customer transactions and calculating the mean spending for each customer. Very simple. The company can use this sample mean as a point estimate for the average spending of its customers. So I can give it a very simple, very easy to calculate answer. An interval estimate provides a range of values within which the true population parameter is expected to fall with a certain level of confidence. For example, a business may want to estimate the average age of its employees by taking a sample and then calculating the confidence interval. So the business can say that it is 95% confident that the average age of all employees is between 30 and 35 years. The interval estimate is broader than a point estimate, but it's broader because it accounts for the variability and provides more certainty in the estimate itself. Now, both point and interval estimates are valuable in business for making predictions and decisions based on sample data. Sometimes just a simple estimate will be perfectly fine. You don't need to have it something perfectly, precisely accurate or have a confidence interval for it. But in some cases, you do really need to be sure. So both of these have their uses.